Hello and welcome to News Ashumai. We are at the premiere of Kacha and we have with us the very versatile actor Anindo Banerjee. Hello, sir.
Hi, hello, good evening.
So, tell us something. You have worked through different genres in Bollywood and Tollywood. So, tell us something about your journey.
It's a journey because basically I'm from theater. Last 30 years, or more than 30 years, I'm associated with theater. Theater, not only in acting, also directing a short film. So a journey basically start with the audition. You know very well that Hindi film. If you stay in Mumbai, then there is a different kind of journey. If you stayed in Calcutta, at the same time you are trying, you cannot do anything. They will connect you, and at the same time you will get the opportunity to place yourself, to showcase your acting capability. That's why I got a few chances, and I make it. I did it properly, and I took this opportunity seriously, and at the same time wholeheartedly I did it, and that's why I got the chance in Mumbai.
Okay, so you just talked about a short film. So, can you tell something about that?
Short film is very critical in sense because in feature film you have a lot of scope to elaborate the things, and you can elaborate, but in short film, like a short story by Tagore's short story, or say the greatest short storyteller, they made it very easy. Not easy at the same time because the form of the short literature, short film and short story, almost the same. It's very complex. It should be very complex. At the same time, there must be a some must put some kind of morals which is essential for society and for the development of the human being and human psychology. Short film always doesn't talk about only a morals. Short film talks about the psychological truth of the human behavior or human. So that's why it's very difficult to write down, and it's very difficult to detect how you narrate your short story. So narrative also very important part of telling a story when you are grasped with a short film, we call. So that's why my the content was a little bit difficult. Like what I said already before, that it's very psychological film. So short film associated with the psychology, human psychology.
Okay, that will be all, sir. Thank you so much. We have with us the director of Kacha, Anirban Chakraborty. Hello, sir.
Hello and good evening to all.
Okay, so firstly, what inspired you to make Kacha?
First of all, I want to say something. There's a quote. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. So it's all about attitude, and Khacha is all about attitude. And what is what else? A package, complete masala package for entertainment. And film is all about entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. Nothing else. So people will get entertainment from this. We are very hopeful that people will bless us.
Yeah, so this is the debut of Mrinmoy.
Yep.
So what made you choose him? He's a YouTuber and everything. So why him?
Mm, sorry.
So what made you choose Mrinmoy for this?
Potentiality. He has enormous potentiality, energy, dedication. What else? Lovely, lovely, full package. Just you just look at this uh, image, you'll get everything.
Okay, so what are the challenges you faced while you made this whole film? Are there any challenges?
In that actually, when you are making a film in Bengali or in a regional language, it's actually the biggest challenge. And when it is now is going to release today, so don't think about the challenges. Just celebrate, just cherish the moment. That's it.
Okay, a word for Khacha?
Entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment, nothing else.
Okay, that will be also. Thank you. So, tell us how was your whole experience, doing Khacha, and how were your interactions with your co-star, and how you felt throughout the whole film?
It was very different from what I have done for last 10 and 12 years. I have done television for 10 years, and a film set is altogether very different We did outdoor for 15 days, 20 days in scorching hot weather, but it was fun because our director is a very funny man. He would crack some random jokes on a serious situation, and we would all laugh. So altogether, it was a nice, bittersweet experience because it was very difficult for us to shoot in few locations as well. It was nice.
Okay, so you mentioned a bittersweet experience. So what were the challenges that you faced
The
other
main,
than the heat?
it of course the heat, but since I already told you I did television for 10 years, doing a film comes with a lot of challenges. First of all, I was constantly thinking about that whether the audience will accept me or not. They have loved me in television for so many years. It is a very different film and different character that I'm playing. It is not like a very typical heroine that you usually see on screen. It's very different from that. So that was in my head all the time. But I think whatever happened at the end, people will love the character I played. I think so. Fingers crossed.
Yeah, I'm sure they will do that. Acha, finally award for Kacha.
Okay, Khacha was ours till today. Now it's yours. You have showered me with so much love for so many years. Please love my film even more than you have ever loved me, and make Khacha yours, please. That's it.
That's so sweet of you. Okay, thank you. And today we have with us Moshumi. Hello, Moshumi. Hi. So, you tell me, how was it? Like, you have already worked in so many projects, and how was it working with this one? How was it different?
This is my second movie with this production house and with the director, and I have composed two songs here. The title song, which is a hard rock and sung by none other than Shiduda, Cactus from Cactus, and I have also composed another song. This is a situational sad song, and which was sung by Durnibar. And the lyrics, the first one was written by the director himself, and the second was written by me myself. And the songs has already been released from Saregama, and the situation song's name is Aladdin, and this is actually hit. This is already hit, and you please watch the movie. You please listen to the song and give me feedback, please.
Sure, sure, we will do that. Like, how was the whole experience? Like, was there any challenges that you faced?
Oh yeah, it was very nice experience to work with this production house. They gave me all the liberties to do the songs better and better. And yeah, the situational song which I composed, that time the director described me that I want a song. No, it will have to be there has to be a cry from in the song. The soulful song should be the soulful song, and it should be the touch of some South Indian movies are called, as this movie is not an urban movie. This is from the suburbs, and it actually it is the essence of suburbs. So the he just described me. It should be soulful, and there will be touch from south. So I have tried my best. So let's see what.
Okay, award for Kacha.
Please watch Khacha and go to the hall. Watch if you like it. Say it's good. If you don't like it, say it is bad. But please go and watch the movie.
That
It's a
will
full
be all.
entertainment.
Okay, okay, that will be all. And we have with us Shourabh Palavi. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, like, the media industry, like, the political films are under scrutiny for the time immemorial. In the past, in the recent, and I don't know about the future. You think the freedom of speech can evolve in that manner, like in politically starred movies?
Um, Film theater goes above everything. We should speak something. Uh, the system, the establishment will oppose us, but we have to speak out. We have to speak against all odds, against all uh, administrative nuisances. Theater, film can only speak, and any art form should have that liberty to speak out.
Okay. Do you see the Bengali film evolving to any certain standard, or what? Like, what are your expectations for the future of Bengali films?
Bengali film has already been evolved, not evolving. Pather Pachali was our example, and Bengali film now standing out and out in international industry, uh, and many good concept is coming out in Bengali films and Bengali theater also, uh, and many subject which is close to against system. They are speaking, raising their voice against system. The, the Bengali film has that power.
Okay. Thank you, sir.